Hey guys, how's it going? And welcome to the episode number 2 of the eFootball PES 2021 Road to Glory. Today's episode is a very special episode. Today's episode, we're gonna be playing a couple of campaign matches. One game I'm gonna be playing off cam because we have 3 remaining. We are gonna be attaining promotion, and after that is a big one. We are gonna be signing our first ever manager. Okay, apart from like we get a starter, but we are gonna be signing our first ever manager in eFootball PES 2021. So stay tuned for that. And now I can't wait for it. Without any delays, let's get it moving. Let's get started. So guys, this is the team I'm facing. So I can see the back line is full of silver balls. One is Arujo, if I'm not wrong. One is Funes Mori, I'm not sure. They have, is that, I think that, I'm not sure, that's Danny Parejo. They have one, I think that's Jota, and up front they have Mariano Ikaji. So yeah, I'm ready for that. 60 rated goalkeeper is something I think we can do better on. Let's get started. So guys, before we get started, I wanted to tell you something. We are currently, as of what I'm recording, we are on 48 subscribers, and well, I recommend to just finish shot that subscribe button like Mertens does, because well, we reached the 50 subscriber mark, and then my 50th video, like 50 subscriber special video, will be the massive pack opening, because PES are gonna launch a lot of agents, so that will be very good for us, because obviously I have around 600 coins. That will be very important, so I wanna make that pack opening video special. So yeah, please help me in that, and now get started. We packed a couple of decent center forwards like Shea Adams of Southampton. I can play him. I've played him a couple of matches, and I'm actually looking for a two upfront formation with Shea Adams and Dries Mertens, because Shea Adams is very quick, but here is Zanielli couldn't get it on time. Here is Nkuju. Yeah, it's Danny Parejo, I was not wrong. I was a bit confused, but here is our man. Here is our star man, Dries Mertens. Oh, he's fallen kindly for Mertens, and Dries Mertens has scored. Come on, don't let us. I feel it is a cakewalk. Dries Mertens, absolute beauty. Now Villarreal have a corner, and it's played down to Aina. Aina is running through. Where is our defense? Nkudu, clear it away. What are you doing, Nkudu? He had a hamstring pull in his leg. He couldn't raise his leg. What's that? That's atrocious, I would say. Eriksen. Okay, we nearly survive. So we are surviving on the skin of our teeth, because their attacking line, they have Diego Jota and Mario Icardi. Yeah, Mario Icardi. So the front line is quite decent. But here is our guy who scored our first goal. Here is Kerk. I don't like Mertens playing centre forward, but here he is, Dries Mertens, for a save from that 60 rated goalkeeper. I don't like Mertens centre forward. I would actually prefer Mertens to be cam, because in cam then he can be the guy who can take a lot of shots, but here he is, Mertens, no space to work with, holds up the ball for Albert Rocker to Zanielli thrashes that one home. Zanielli, what a finish. Throwing flying kisses everywhere around. Zanielli. And it's 2-0, and this is becoming too easy for us. Like, come on. Now, Luke de Jong. Zulbaida, our new CDM, Silver, is in. Here goes. It is for Dries Mertens. Boyaya has it. Oh, that's the same keeper as we have. Okay, so they have the same keeper as us. That's a white ball. Here is Dries Mertens. Turn across Dries. I'm far too greedy for that finish shot, but here is Diogo Jota. Liverpool signing. Oh, Vasilic has done well there. Albert Roca. To now Zanielli. Zanielli to play in Dries Mertens. To have one of his specials, the defender came in between. Honestly, that was a good one from Dries Mertens, I will not lie. And we're slowly and steadily coming to half time here as the ball is played forward towards Icardi and Diego Jota has taken it away from a left back and Luke de Jong has gone for the big one, but nice defending there from us. Zanelli win the header, son. Here's one at Zuberia. Well done to Enkudu, to Albert Roca. It stopped. Back to Albert Roca. His stamina is in red. And we haven't played half time. Wow. Here goes Bassana. Here goes Dries Mertens. He's turned his man Dries Mertens. And Arujo. I think it's Arujo, the Barcelona centre back. He's highly rated here by Ronald Koeman. You know what? I'm gonna play it short. I never play short, but we don't have anyone who can make a big difference in the box. So I'm gonna go for it with Mertens. Oh, that would have been a wonder finish. Dries Mertens. So guys, the second half is underway and here they are on the attack. Here's Mario Icardi, well defended by our centre back. Second half, till now it's been poor, but it's still early days in the second half. Here is Daniele looking for Bassano. He's seen Dries Mertens. Mertens has seen Roca. Here goes Roca. That's why he's a white ball. Is he a white ball? Or is he a silver ball? That's why he is whatever he is. That was a terrible finish. Vasilic. And yes guys, I also wanted to tell you that FIFA, Chinese version of FIFA that was a shot, well defended. So Chinese version of FIFA have confirmed, like it has released in Chinese version, and there is a manager mode. When we can be manager, we can play through the matches. But here is Diego Jota, Luke de Jong, nice save. So there is a mode where we can play through the matches and manage our team. It's like career mode, but they call it the league mode. We're gonna call it the career mode. And I have a team in mind for a long time now. So hopefully we can get that. There are still questions about player mode, like player career mode, like player where we can make our player my player. But even if my player isn't there, I won't be disappointed. I just want career mode in FIFA. I want to play through the games. I'll enjoy it so much. Even if we have to sim through the games, I'll be happy with that also. But I think they're gonna do it playing games only. So if we can play games, I'll absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. But here is Diego Jota for now. They're doing absolutely nothing, just keeping possession. Come on, ref! You kidding me? Danny Parejo to take it. Take it fast, Danny Parejo. And it goes out for a goal kick. Here it is, guys. It is full time. And we've beaten them 2-0. After that, really nothing happened. It was a bore of a game. It was very bored. So, yeah. We have done this. Let's move on to the next match. So, guys, I have made a change in this game. Dries Mertens moves on to the left side and Shea Adams gets his first chance on YouTube, and this is the team we are up against, and they are all black players. I don't know why Dele Alli is playing DM, but he's there. They have Peter Golaci in goal. That's Wilfred Zaha. Is that El Shaarawy? I think that is El Shaarawy. You know what? I don't care about that. We have a good team. Let's go on and win against them. Guys, the next match, I have one more match to play in camp, in which I'm gonna be playing off camp. What after this match you're gonna be seeing is gonna be our manager pick. That's the real thing of this question, of this video. And yes, guys, again, please finish short that subscribe button. We will, if we get the 50 subscriber special video, will be a massive pack opening. But for now, Kerky boy. Oh, Kerky boy does well there. Bassane. Charlie Adams or Shea Adams, I don't know. But here is Dries Mertens for now. He's our Adams. Curls that one in. And how lucky can we be? How unlucky can we be? I'm losing words. I am losing words. How unlucky can we be? What a move though. Charlie Adams. His name is Charlie Adams. Wow. I've been calling him Shea Adams, but Zaha has opened us up. As what I'm recording, he's playing in Crystal Palace versus Brighton. But our defense does well there. Charlie Adams. Charlie Adams is fast. Okay, he's not that fast. And one thing that they have is a good keeper, and that's always good. A good keeper is very necessary, and I too am looking for a good keeper. This 61 rated guy is shambles, but here is Charlie Adams, not Shea Adams. I've been calling him Shea Adams the whole time. No, just wait and see what is his name. If it comes out to be Shea Adams, they don't show his name. Am I bugging here? Hello? You know what? Leave it. We are gonna call him Adams. Not Shea, not Charlie, only Adams. But if you know his real name, please comment down below, because I am absolutely confused. But that's a miraculous pass from Kerk. And here goes Dries Mertens. I took the shot too early. Why did I take the shot too early? Oh, that was a miraculous pass by one and only Kerk. Oh, what a pass that was. That is the pass of eFootball PES for me till now. That is the pass. Rodrigo Pillamaro. Yes, it is El Shaarawy, the wonder kid. Now not a kid anymore, but well, he wasn't wonder also. But Rocker, and it's to Kyoenka. Phil Jagielka. He used to be England #1 centre back. Now he's nowhere near the Premier League, if I'm not wrong. Zaha. That's very lame from Zaha. And Kujo. Bassania. What are we doing? El Shaarawy. Eriksson. Do something. Zubedia. Gujarado. What a save. This silver rated keeper looks like prime Manuel Neuer to me. He really does. He looks like prime Manuel Neuer to me. With the kind of saves he's been making, really looks a prime Manuel Neuer card. Guys, it is half time, and although Adams has been good, but you know what? I am considering bringing in Zenelli at some point in the game. I can't tell where, but you know what? I don't like substituting players off at halftime, but did you see what I saw? N'Golo Conte has come on. Oh my god, this is going to be tough now. Kerk, he's putting in wonderful. Dries Mertens, he's not the best with headers. We need a target, man. It should have been Shea Adams trying to hit that one. Now Kante is gonna work very hard for them in the midfield. I can guarantee you that. That's a good switch by Van Aanholt to his Palace mate Zaha. He's seen Rodrigo Pimpao. He's gone past us. Veselic, what are we doing, guys? What are we doing? This guy, this silver rated goalkeeper. Silver, not even silver. He's gold. He's becoming prime Manuel Neuer. El Shaarawy did me there. Here is Van Aanholt. He has a good shot on him. He took it, but Veselic was there. Clears it away. And Kuju, what is that for a touch? And guys, this guy needs an applause now. This guy really needs an applause now, because the way he has been defending, our defenders have been watching Man United of late. That's what I'm getting to know, because the way we are playing, it feels like they've been watching Man United of late, and here's where we can exploit the pace of Adams against players like Barn. But Adams has had enough in his tank, I think, because he looks very tired. And there is Conte. I told you he's going to be working relentless, and I think now it's time for the fresh legs. We'll move Mertens there, and here comes Zanieli, whatever you wanna call him. He's right-footed, so we can curl. I don't know whether we can curl or not, but at least we can hit it with him. Eriksson to Wilfred Zaha. Oh, he's opened me up. Opened me up. Oh, what defending! This is miraculous defending. This is absolutely miraculous defending. Here is Dries Mertens. Oh, what a pass to Bassana. Run it down for kick. Don't tell me he's offside. No, he isn't. He's on. Kerky is on. He's seen Bassana. He's seen Rock. I didn't want to play the pass that way. We're gonna go back to our left back. And this is what I want. This is what I crave for. And here is Dries Mertens. Oh my god. We've been so poor. Mertens hasn't even got a chance, and Zanelli has not got a chance to even come onto the pitch because the ball hasn't gone out. And I don't want to hit the ball out because I want to go for the goal. Mate with Zanelli on or Zanelli out. Mertens running away. Dries Mertens. Oh, nearly did it there, but Conte has been such a change for them. He's been clearing everything out, but here is Wilfred Zaha. Oh my god, El Shaarawy. Here goes our keeper. Prime Manuel Neuer. And we had to concede. So poor. So poor. This game I've been played over in this game. But here is Kerk. If we can find an equalizer now, and that took too much time. And guys, that's it. Guys. Now the next match I'm gonna be playing off cam, and then I will meet you when is the discussion for the manager. So guys, we've got the season completed bonus. So now we have a lot of GB points. So instead of spending this, it's something somewhere else. I wanna see the managers available. So now the first thing, my main criteria with managers is that I at least want, I want either a cam or a two-striker formation. Here is our man Arsenal, Mikel Arteta, but he's playing the 5-2-3. Arsenal don't play 5-2-3, they play 3-4-3. But anyway, I either want a two-striker formation or a formation with a cam. This can be a good formation for us. With a cam. But do I have two DMs? I actually have two good DMs. Now I think this formation can make it. I think this is a very good formation. You know what? I'm gonna take the gamble and I'm gonna go for this formation. I could go for the Gasperini one, but I don't want to go for the Gasperini one because, of course, I don't want to play with 3 at the back because that leaves a lot of space in behind, yeah. And I don't want a lot of space. And of course, I don't like playing with 3 centre backs unless it's an Arsenal formation. So now let's go to managers. Wait. I got confused there for a second. Guys, just ignore the contract expired, just let them go. And now let's see how this thing works, not this guy. Hopefully it works works well. And this is what we're talking about. So of course he goes in there. Mertens goes in there. He goes in there. Okay. We are not satisfying their full potential, but at least it's better. And Shea Adams comes in here. Just a second, I'll assemble all of it and be back. So guys, this is how we are gonna keep this formation running. So Shea Adams up top, Mertens, then our right wingers and left wingers, and then two good DMs. Actually, we have two quite decent DMs, 180 rated, 171 rated, and then the back line is as follows. So you know what, I'm quite satisfied with the attack. Now we need to improve like on the back line and goalkeeper. So yeah guys, we'll end the episode here. If you enjoyed the video, please drop a like, and yes, remember 630 coins plus 2 times you're gonna get 100 coins for bonuses, daily bonus. So guys, we're gonna have a good little pack opening, great pack opening. So let's make that pack opening video 50 subscribers special one. So yeah, let's go. Finish shot that subscribe button, finish shot that like button, and yes, enjoy your day and keep safe.